First, recall the foundation. If a colon B equals C colon D, that is a divided by B equals C divided by D, then we say four numbers are in proportion. All the properties we'll study are transformations of this simple equality, but they make solving problems much faster. The first property is invertendo. It says if a colon B equals C colon D, then B colon A equals D colon C. Let's prove it. Start from a divided by B equals C divided by D. Take reciprocals of both sides. That gives B divided by A equals D divided by C. In ratio form, that means B colon A equals D colon C. This trick of flipping numerator and denominator in both ratios is called invertendo. It's like turning a fraction upside down, yet keeping balance intact. The second property is alternendo. It says, if a colon B equals C colon D, then a colon C equals B colon D. Here's how. From a divided by B equals C divided by D, cross multiply to get a times D equals B times C. Rearranging gives a divided by C equals B divided by D. In ratio language, that means a colon C equals B colon D. Alternendo allows us to compare extremes with means across the proportion. This is useful when the problem connects the first with the third and the second with the fourth terms. Now comes the third property in a componendo. It says if a colon B equals C colon D, then a plus B colon B equals C plus D colon D. Let's prove this. Start with a divided by B equals C divided by D. Add 1 to both sides. That gives a divided by B plus 1 equals C divided by D plus 1. Simplify this. Left side becomes a plus B divided by B, and right side becomes C plus D divided by D. So we conclude A plus B colon B equals C plus D colon D. This property comes in handy when the numerator and denominator are combined with addition. Each property has its own strength. Invertendo helps when reciprocals appear in the problem. Alternendo is key when linking non-adjacent terms. Componendo is powerful when sums of terms are compared. And the best part? All these come straight from the same base. A divided by B equals C divided by D. Once you see that, you'll start spotting these transformations in algebra and geometry problems everywhere. So students, here's the recap. Properties of proportion. Invertendo, alternendo, and componendo are simple but powerful transformations. They preserve the equality of ratios and allow us to move terms around smartly. Whenever you see a proportion, remember, you can flip it, alternate it, or add it. These tricks are the shortcuts behind many exam questions. And that's the beauty of ratio properties. In the next lesson, we'll explore even more powerful tools like dividendo and componendo dividendo. Stay curious and keep practicing.